Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 55. This skill is about analyzing large data sets. Your goal is to move beyond the limitations of desktop spreadsheets and learn to work at a professional scale. We define large using the 3 V's: volume, size, velocity, speed, and variety, messiness. The key concept to master is the tool ladder, knowing which tool to use as the data gets bigger and more complex. Here is your technical cheat sheet. Think of it as a ladder. Rung 1 is databases and SQL. Use this when you have a volume problem but the data is structured. Let the database do the work. Rung 2 is programming, usually Python. Use this when you have a variety problem and the data is messy or unstructured. Rung 3 is cloud platforms. Use this when the scale is massive, requiring the power of thousands of computers. Here is how to apply this at work. Before you start any analysis, create a mental tool selection matrix. Step 1. Analyze the data. Is the volume high? Is the variety high? Step 2. Select the tool based on that analysis. Don't just default to a spreadsheet if the data is too big. Choosing the right tool up front prevents crashes and wasted time later. For your portfolio, use this STARR structure. Situation: I needed to analyze 5 years of transaction data. Task: the data volume was too large for desktop tools. Action: I applied S55. I used SQL to aggregate the raw data on the server, reducing the volume. I then used Python to visualize the trends from the aggregated dataset. Result: delivered critical insights efficiently. Reflection: I learned that server-side processing prevents local bottlenecks. If you are doing your major project, document your tool choices in the Methodology section. Explicitly explain why you didn't use a basic tool. Write: due to the 2 GB file size, I opted for a SQL database. Include code snippets of your analysis. This proves your technical competence and professional judgment in handling large data. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.